Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry, and today I'm going to make a helper so that I can pump water into those tanks without Irene or somebody else holding the hose in the tank. I measured the tank this morning to make sure that what I'm cutting will fit into the manhole. Now those are all the cuts that I need. I have three 90-degree angles that I'm going to be gluing up here. Those angles will allow me to take the water up from the bottom, move it over towards the top of the tank, into the tank, and then back. First I prime the pipe, then I put a liberal coating of the glue. Now this isn't going to be under any real pressure. There'll be some pressure, but I don't have to worry about it springing a leak. All I'm really trying to do is make sure things hold together. I still press it together, twist, and hold. Now the reason why I hold is so that that pipe doesn't try to slide out from the fitting. The fitting has a bevel. It's pretty warm today, so the glue is setting really fast, so it's important to get it on and get it together. I press it in again. Hold it in place. As I was mentioning before, there's a bevel in all the seats of these fittings. You need to hold the pipe in place for at least 15 seconds so that it doesn't slide back out of the fitting. Alright, now the water comes in the bottom, up the pipe, turns the corner. Now I need to bring it over to go into the tank. The water will come up here, turn the corner, turn another corner, come down, and be redirected towards the side of the tank. We'll go see how this is going to go together in a little bit. Time for me to clean this stuff up, go get a load of water, and we'll try it out. Just like it was designed. Now let's just go ahead and put it together. This is a 300-gallon tote on the trailer. The pump that's over here in this cargo container pumps about 200 gallons a minute. It takes about a minute or a minute and a half to fill the tote. More water for the honeybees, the wasps, all manner of stinging things. And that's all there is to it. It may not look exciting, but it's one more task on the homestead that can be done by one person. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you get notifications, because we have lots more crazy things going on in the homestead. Thanks for watching. Bye.